First of all, we need to get back on track. We had a tough overtime, double overtime loss at home the other day to a good Mercer team, and you saw a player that was basically Kobe Bryant against us, made a tough fall away, banked in 3 at the end of the game, and forced it to overtime, and then a second overtime, and we came away short. And it's been a couple days of an understanding of intensity and some tougher drills and rebounding and finishing the game and being up 12 and putting teams away. Great learning, and it's now in our rearview mirror. So when you're hit with a bad feeling or adversity, it's not really what the problem is, it's how we react to it. I feel really good about this team. I'm very encouraged about us moving forward. Tulsa's a team we played last year. They have a lot of the same players back, and a real good offensive rebounding team, which will pose a test to hopefully the areas that we've addressed. And we're looking forward to jumping on this team early, getting people involved. Desiree Ball hurt her ankle today in practice, so she'll be sidelined, and hopefully be able to play a little bit tomorrow. But we're back on track. We're very positive. Looking forward to really doing a great job on the glass, playing solid defense, executing offensively, and hoping to be able to rotate 9 players pretty consistently tomorrow and come away with the win and get back on track.